Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of x squared, we have 2x. First derivative of number 2, this is about the constant, so you got about 0 in here. Next, I need to change the bounds. When x equals to number 0, so I will put number 0 gone here. So 0 squared plus 2, we have u equals to number 2. When x equals to number 1, so I will put number 1 gone here. 1 squared plus 2, we have number 3. So 0 we change by number 2, number 1 we change by number 3. This one we change by u. 2x ds we change by du. Now we have the formula in here. The integration of u to the power of n du. We have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. Now we can apply this formula for this one. So we have u to the power of 2022 plus 1 over 2022 plus 1, and I will put the bounds from number 2 to number 3. This one we have 23. We have 2023. Now I will put number 3 and number 2 gone here. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.